A very good morning, all of you. So, in the last video, this we have discussed in the chapter Albert Einstein at school कि किस तरीके से he was successful in getting the medical certificate from one of the Yuri's friend, Dr. Ernest, who was a recently qualified doctor. और किस तरीके से the maths teacher, he has given and he has admired Einstein for his brilliance and gave him a reference that he is ready for college. His brain is so developed and he is having so many creative ideas in his mind. And this all of us we know after listening to two of the videos that Einstein, he was not a rote learner. So today we'll be discussing how Einstein, he was summoned by the head teacher, right? अब यहाँ जो है, how Einstein was summoned by the head teacher, it is that we know कि Yuri has given a advice कि you take the reference, or Einstein was thinking in this mind कि I've got the reference letter from the doctor also, and I've got the reference letter from my maths teacher also. Now the question was that why he was being summoned by the head teacher. अब आइंस्टाइन इससे पहले कि मेडिकल सर्टिफिकेट देते हेड टीचर को, he was summoned to the head teacher's office and the head teacher told him that he was expelled from the school and he should leave the school immediately. When Einstein wanted to know the reason, the head teacher told him that his presence disturbed the class so much that no teaching could be done. Right? Why? Because every teacher used to complain about Einstein कि जब आइंस्टाइन स्कूल में होते हैं, जब आइंस्टाइन क्लास में होते हैं, तो वो इस तरीके के क्वेश्चंस पूछते हैं कि व्हाट इज़ देयर इन द लर्निंग अप ऑफ फैक्ट्स, आई डोंट रिमेंबर डेट्स, आई एम नॉट अ बिलीवर ऑफ रिमेंबरिंग डेट्स. So this is the reason that when you are there in the class, no teaching could be done. And then he was very happy. He was very happy to leave the school. When he heard this, he felt sad that he had unnecessarily wasted his time and effort. कि मतलब मैंने जो मेडिकल सर्टिफिकेट बनवाया उसमें मैंने अननेसेसरी अपना टाइम भी वेस्ट किया, ऐसे ही अप्रोच भी लगवाई, राइट. एंड ही वॉज tempted to tell the head teacher what he thought about the school or about the teachers, but somehow stopped himself, and he did not feel ashamed in being expelled and walked out keeping his head high. He did not say goodbye to any teacher and student inside the school. The only person he wanted to meet before leaving the school was Yuri, who wished him good luck and wished that he would be happier in Milan, and it was a wonderful place. So this is how just have a quick review of the entire summary of the chapter. This we know that the chapter, it opens in the history class where Mr. Brown is asking Einstein a question related to dates and he gives a frank reply that he does not remember the answer. Right? अब कन्वर्सेशन जो है आइंस्टाइन और उनकी हिस्ट्री टीचर के बीच में अनप्लेजेंट हो गई जब टीचर ने एक कहा कि व्हाट हिज थ्योरी. मोमेंट था कि टीचर ने कहा भाई आपकी थ्योरी क्या है एजुकेशन की, ठीक है. उसके बाद एटमॉस्फेयर जहाँ वो रहते थे, इट वाज अ स्लम एरिया, सो ही वाज आल्सो नॉट हैप्पी देयर, बट इट वाज देयर कि मतलब ही वाज फ्रॉम अ पुअर फैमिली. उनके फादर चाहते थे कि वो डिप्लोमा करे. उन्होंने फिर अपने फ्रेंड यूरी से कहा कि आई डोंट वांट टू स्टे इन दिस स्कूल, तो क्या आप एक मेडिकल सर्टिफिकेट अरेंज करवा सकते हो. फिर जो यूरी के फ्रेंड थे हु वाज रिसेंटली क्वालिफाइड डॉक्टर, उन्होंने आइंस्टाइन को नर्वस ब्रेकडाउन का दिस सर्टिफिकेट वाज बीन इशूड. ही हैड अ डिस्कशन विथ हिज सिस्टर एल्सा ऑल्सो. एल्सा ने भी यही कहा कि भाई आप अपना डिप्लोमा कर लो सो दैट योर फादर विल बी हैप्पी. बट व्हाट हैपन, उनको रेफरेंस मैथ्स टीचर से भी मिल गया, उनको नर्वस ब्रेकडाउन का सर्टिफिकेट भी मिल गया, but he was being summoned by head teacher and head teacher told that you are being expelled from the school. उसमें भी Einstein, he didn't felt ashamed, rather he was happy. He happily leaves the school with head held high. Why? Because उनको ये लगता था कि facts याद करने में there is no point, and he does not bid goodbye to any teacher or student of that school. Before leaving, he meets his best friend Yuri, who wishes him good luck for the future. And this is how, he has been expelled, and this is how he, जो अगर उनको लगता था बचपन से कि there is no happiness, there is no point in remembering facts, proved right. The chapter Albert Einstein at School, the assignments are being uploaded, so please do the assignments neatly and don't miss your writing habit. अगर आप मतलब you have to write the things, it is going to retain in your mind for a longer period of time. Thank you so much.